Today, we're going to cover two critical topics in TIG welding that are often done incorrectly but directly impact weld quality: electrode stickout and gas shielding. When set incorrectly, the arc becomes unstable, the weld oxidizes, porosity occurs, and the weld appears weak and dull. But when set correctly, you'll get a stable arc, a clean weld, and a strong professional result. In this guide, I'll explain step by step the basic rules for correctly setting electrode stickout and gas shielding in TIG welding. Electrode stickout refers to how far the tungsten tip extends beyond the gas cup. This distance directly affects the arc shape, arc stability, and gas shielding. The general usage range is approximately 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch. For most jobs, 1/8 of an inch is ideal. A very short electrode stickout obstructs your view and causes the tungsten to overheat. On the other hand, a very long electrode stickout destabilizes the arc and disrupts the gas shielding. What makes TIG welding clean is the argon gas isolating the weld pool from the air. If the gas shielding is insufficient, the weld will be gray and dull. Porosity occurs and the strength is reduced. Factors affecting gas shielding include gas flow rate, torch angle, gas cup diameter, and ambient airflow. The recommended gas flow rate is 20 to 30 cubic feet per hour, which is about 10 to 15 liters per minute. As the electrode stickout increases, it becomes more difficult for the gas to shield the weld pool. In this case, the gas flow rate should be increased slightly. Especially for stainless steel, high amperage, root passes, and in tight spaces, using a gas lens provides a smoother gas flow, ensuring strong gas shielding even with long electrode stickouts. For most jobs, keep the electrode stickout at about 1/8 of an inch. In open and windy environments, increase the gas flow rate. Use a gas lens for stainless steel and aluminum. Keep the gas cup and collet clean. Keep the torch angle between 10 and 20 degrees from a position perpendicular to the workpiece. Remember, correct electrode stickout equals a stable arc, correct gas shielding equals a clean weld. Incorrect settings equal constant problems. That concludes our guide on how electrode stickout and gas shielding directly affect weld quality in TIG welding. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more TIG welding training. See you in the next video.